They covered her mouth and dragged her away. Then
Friends,
they
today
drove
I
her
am
deep into the
showing
jungle and
the
left her
girl
there
who
alone.
lied with
She screamed
monkeys.
for help, but
How
no
much
one
time
came
was this
until she
video
found a
being
group
made?
of monkeys. Now, they ignored her at first, but they didn't attack. She slowly started to copy them, learning how to find food and climb trees. One monkey even helped her when she was sick, leading her to water. And she lived like that for 5 years, until hunters finally found her.
Oh my
She was
God.
adopted by a new family and
life.
had to relearn
New
how to
family.
walk and talk.